Hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about how I made my sound effects story. This is what it ended up looking like, 36 seconds long. For audio, I used freesound.com or .org, and you just search whatever sound you want. You can download it if you create a free account, and I saved it all to a folder. You simply click and drag to your Audacity page, and you paste each sound after the other. So I labeled all the sounds. You can kind of see the storyline from here. And then you download it, and then it's going to be on SoundCloud. I will link it down below.